If you want to make easy passive income, I'm going to show you how you can do that by just using 4 free apps: ChatGPT, Suno, Canva, YouTube. Let's jump right into it. First, let's go to ChatGPT and get the song lyrics. You can make the song about anything you want, but I suggest you niche down for your YouTube channel. All of my songs are about manifesting anything, love, money, anything. For now, pick your niche and just go with that and tell ChatGPT to give you some lyrics to the song, whatever it's about. Give me some lyrics about let's just use the suggestion. Overcoming challenges. So ChatGPT is free. I do have the paid version. I just used it for my game, but all of the songs that I have on my YouTube channel were all done with the free version. You can use the free version just as good. So let's grab these lyrics. It's that easy. You can change if you want. Go into the song and just change whatever lyrics you want. Just tell ChatGPT, don't say this or don't say that. Whatever you want to do. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to take this whole thing, Rise Again. And now we're going to go over to Suno to make our song. So you can pick whatever genre you want. They have so many genres. You can mix up genres if you want. This is free. All I did to go sign up was use my email address to sign in. So that's all I had to do. Just pick any genre. For the sake of this video, it's about overcoming challenges. So let's go with pop. Click custom, and you want to paste in your lyrics. Let's just take this title out. And put the title down here next to song title. And that's it. Now let's click create. Now let's let it make magic. If you want to use this app, I'm using it specifically for YouTube. So I use the free version and that's fine. No copyrights, it's copyright free. But if you do want to use it, which you can use it for Spotify, if you want to get paid for Spotify, making music, you have to get the paid version so that you can own the copyrights to the music in order to upload it to Spotify and get monetized for it. Okay, so I'm gonna listen to one of these. I don't like either one of these, so let's try this again. Let's add pop and female vocals. And that's good enough. You see my credits drop down to 80. You don't want to use too many credits on one song. The credits re-up every day. Okay, so let's listen to this one.
I've walked through fire, felt the burn, stumbled on lessons I had to learn. The nights were long.
Sounds good already, so let's download this. You see it says need commercial rights. Only pro and premier songs are eligible for commercial use. That's if you want to use it for something else other than YouTube. For YouTube, we don't need commercial rights, so let's click download anyway. With Spotify or anything else where you would need commercial use, you would have to pay for the pro version. Now it's time to make our video so that we can upload it to YouTube. So we're going to go over to Canva, which is also free. We're going to use the landscape video, 1920 by 1080. Now let's upload our song. You see the song goes out further. It goes all the way out, but because this first video is only 5 seconds, it stops right there. So we're gonna go find a longer video that can fill up the whole song. Go to Elements and search for a video that's a moving video that will go along with the song. Let's just put in nature. You see the seconds there? Let's find one that's on a longer side so that we don't have to duplicate it too many times. And you see the ones with the crown next to it is for the paid version, but anything that doesn't have a crown next to it is free. Let's go with this one in the mountains, since we're talking about rising again and overcoming challenges. Now we have to duplicate the page so that it fills in the whole song. Just checking to make sure to see how long the song is. It's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we want to add the lyrics to the video, just to add more to the video so it's not just a moving picture with a song. Go to insert, go to text to insert a text box. Let's copy the lyrics. You can copy it from Suno or ChatGPT, either one, it doesn't matter. So you can do this one or two ways. You can put all the lyrics up here all at once and just leave it there and let it play for the whole video, or you can use another app, but since I only said 4 apps for this video, we're gonna stick to this one and just leave it here. But you can use something like Opus Clips, where it gives you the caption as it plays. So let's just break this up. Needs a background so you can see it. Let's turn down the transparency. Just move this stuff around and play with it until you get it to look how you want it to look. We need to add a background to this side. Make it the same transparency. So let's just delete this one so we can duplicate this so we won't have to put the words up there again. Now let's add a transition so that when one video stops and goes into the next one, it can be more smooth. I don't like how that stops, so let's just fix that so that it doesn't stop moving. Okay, that looks better. Now let's download this so that we can upload it to YouTube. You can download it in 1080p. I have the paid version, so I can do 4K, but it's fine to leave it.
I've walked through fire, felt the burn, stumbled on lessons I had to learn. The nights were long, the road was rough, but I found out I was strong enough. When the world tried to break me down, I built my strength from the underground. Ooh, I rise again, no matter how I fall. Climb every mountain, tear down every wall.
This is just one passive income idea that you can try. It may take some time, but just keep going and keep pushing, just like any other YouTube video. It's faceless, so you don't have to worry about getting dressed and getting in front of the camera or any of a script or anything. You just go to ChatGPT, make your free song, then go to Suno, get the song made for free, then go to Canva, make a quick video off of it, and then upload it to YouTube. It's so easy. It'll just take some time before you can actually get monetized off of it, but just keep going. It's easy where you could just throw up a couple of these a day. This is one of those YouTube channels that you can definitely do every single day. It just takes some time before it'll blow up. Sometimes people blow up overnight, you never know, but just keep going. If it takes you a year, if it takes you 2 years, it's so easy. It doesn't take up that much time and you can just try it. It's an easy passive income if you just keep going. My current channel that I have that's dedicated to music, I haven't done it in about 2 months because I've been getting ready for my game launch and getting everything started with that. But I will get back to it and just keep going. I encourage everybody to keep going. If you want easy passive income, if you want to live the soft life, you just have to keep trying things and keep trying, and don't give up so easily. Just keep going and you can make it too. If you want other ideas on passive income, I do have another video. Just click that video up here and I'll see you in the next one.